Hey, what's up guys? It's Michael Ike here and welcome to my YouTube channel, Smart Tips. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can recover your banned WhatsApp account. Yeah, I know it's actually annoying and frustrating when you notice that your WhatsApp account has been banned and you don't know what to do about it. So guys, just watch this video to the very end as I'm going to be showing you how you can go about that and solve this problem. Before we continue with the solutions to the WhatsApp banning problem, kindly give me a thumbs up and also go to the comment section and go comment how to recover your banned WhatsApp number so that those in search of this information they can get to it faster. And if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Kindly hit the subscribe button below and also the bell notification icon so that you get notified whenever I make new videos like this. Let's get started guys.
So guys, the first thing you're going to do is to go to your browser and go and search whatsapp.com. See it here, whatsapp.com. All right, so when you get here, you click on this menu icon, that is this three line by the top right side of my screen. Then you go to get in touch. So while you're here, you click on this contact us under this WhatsApp messenger support. For all questions related to WhatsApp messenger, contact us. You go there. Then right here you have to provide your information. So first of all, if you're Nigerian, you leave it at this +234, or let's say you are watching this video from any other country or wherever you are from, just look for your country code and select it. All right, but me, I'm a Nigerian, so I will still leave it there. Then you need to, this place for your number, you need to put in the banned WhatsApp number. The banned WhatsApp number, you understand? So you have to put it there. Okay, once you fill in the banned WhatsApp number, all right, this next step here, you put in your email address, so that because WhatsApp is going to send you email to know if they can release your WhatsApp or not. So when you put your email address right here, let's say you put your email address, and you have to confirm the email address again. All right, then here, how do you use WhatsApp? Right now I'm using an Android phone, so I using an Android phone. You select it, an iPhone, or let's say a web and desktop, or Kai OS, or any other device you're using. You just select that. All right, so now you have to enter a message, like let them know why you're chatting them, or sorry, why you're sending them an email, or why you're contacting them. So since your WhatsApp is banned, what you're going to do is, let's say you go to my WhatsApp account is banned, or was banned, sorry, was banned, let's say by mistake. Please help me look into it. Thank you. You can also impute your WhatsApp number, that is the banned WhatsApp number here, more of like, okay, here is the number. Then you just put in your phone number. That's your banned WhatsApp number. Then you click on next step, which is to send the mail. Well, why I don't want to click on this next step, because it's going to send a mail, and since my WhatsApp number is not banned, I don't want to let's say cause attention or create an attention to my WhatsApp line. All right, so once you're done, this is what you're going to see. They're going to send you email that looks like this. All right, so as you can see here, it says WhatsApp support. Say, hi, thanks for your message. We understand you are currently unable to access WhatsApp and are working diligently to answer your request. We appreciate your patience and will get back to you as soon as possible. For more information, please read this article. So this means now they are working towards releasing your WhatsApp from being banned. All right, so the next message you are going to see, this, after this message, like let's say within a few hours, you get another mail that says something like this: hi, thanks for your message. Our system flagged your account activity as a violation of our terms of service and banned your phone number. We value you as a user and apologize for any confusion or inconvenience this may have caused. After reviewing your account activity, we removed the ban, so you should now have access to WhatsApp. As a next step, we recommend re-registering your phone number on WhatsApp to ensure you have access. You can visit our website to download WhatsApp or WhatsApp business app. You can learn more about how to use WhatsApp responsibly in this help center. And now the message in full. Okay, he said for this note right now, he said we don't provide support for unsupported apps, devices or versions of WhatsApp or jailbroken routed device. This is for those using, let's say, GB WhatsApp. This is more of it's called the broken WhatsApp, because if you notice, WhatsApp, the main WhatsApp does not support it. That is, let's say if you want to move from your normal WhatsApp to GB WhatsApp, you cannot really back up your devices and send it, you understand? But you can do that from GB WhatsApp, sorry, from business WhatsApp to normal WhatsApp, or from normal WhatsApp to your business WhatsApp. You can do that interchangeably. Alright, so now we say learn more about our supported operating system in this article. For more information about unofficial apps and why we don't support this, you can refer to this article. So once you've gotten this notification, all you need to do is to go and register your WhatsApp number again, and you see we now have access to WhatsApp. But one thing you should know while doing this is you need to read their terms of service, because since they flagged the account before, they flagged your number before, you need to be careful, because let's say now their eyes will be on your WhatsApp number, so that to see if you're going to violate any rule. And if you keep on doing that, they might permanently ban your WhatsApp number, and you will not be able to access WhatsApp through that number again, even if you appeal. All right.
So guys, I've shown you the step-by-step process on how you can recover your banned WhatsApp accounts. But guys, like I said, this method does not mean WhatsApp is going to recover your account. For instance, if your WhatsApp was reported by a lot of people before it got banned, I doubt if this method is going to work for you. But you can still, try out your luck and see if it works. I guess this is more for people who their account just gets banned and without a major reason. So you can just go appeal and they recover it for you. But either which way, just go on and try out this method and see if it works for you. And if it works for you, kindly let me know in the comment section, guys, and also share this video to your friends and family so that they can also get updated. All right, I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video as we discover the smart online tips.